Yes, ma'am.
Your favorite?
Lesson one only.
Sheikh Harsh or Sheikh? Asad Raza Sarani. Asad Raza Sarani. You unmute your mic and speak. Why is I'm asking you? Farhan Sheikh. Sheikh Farhan. Haidar Ali Marchand. Haidar Ali Marchand. Mithani Sheikh. Those who are not answering now. For that, I will be saying one more. Okay? Muhammad Ali Khitani. Muhammad Ali Khitani. Muhammad Raza.
Yes, ma'am.
Muhammad Raza.
Yes, ma'am.
What about your favorite?
Hmm?
Hmm? Muhammad Abbas. Muhammad Abbas.
Yes, ma'am.
What about your favorite?
मैम कंप्लीट कर दूंगा इस डे तक.
How much it's completed? I'm asking technically. I'm not telling that Yasin Pithadi. Pithadia Yasin. Rajani Zain Ali. Zain Ali Rajani.
Yes, ma'am.
What's about your favorite?
Ma'am, what is that?
Rehan Manzra. Manzra Rehan. Sadiq Gujarati. Virani Khiza. Okay, no problem, boys. Muhammad Ali Khetani, can you unmute your mic? Khetani Muhammad Ali. Muhammad Ali Khetani. Abdullah. Abdullah.
Yes, ma'am.
You are having any doubts in chapter number 1?
What, ma'am?
Are you having any doubts in chapter number 1?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, please send lesson to PDF again.
बेटा एक का मैं क्लियर बात करके कौन मैंने पूछा था 15 चैप्टर में
जी
ओके
मैम मैं चैप्टर 15 ही पढ़ी हूँ।
the problem is that I have shown you one continuous okay I am having 3 to your 4 days okay beta so sometimes I am missing out some data are moving away from my mobile okay so please you ask your friend understood beta Nurani
Ma'am, I'm asking, but no one is answering.
okay who is not giving you tell me the name Mohammed Saqib Mohammed Saqib beta you are having chapter number 15 then send it to Nurani okay beta okay beta okay beta you will get it if I am
Tanya,
getting yes and how many are going to come to school from Monday how many are going to come to school
ma'am I.
okay others because no options you are given you have to come Abbas Ali are you going to come to school yes beta Abbas Ali type the message I'm not getting your voice beta I'm asking you boys something you don't have to answer it beta boys
Yes, ma'am.
Yes ma'am.
anyone are having doubts in chapter number 1 I think that you are having problem in learning long question answer is it right is it right
Yes.
so on Monday I will be teaching you how to implant. Yes, then we will do that. We are not, you are having doubt in chapter number 15. Yes? How many boys are done my homework? Last on Tuesday which I have given. If I have not done, tell that I have not done. I will not tell you anything. How many boys are boys? If you will
Yes,
not answer, I will
ma'am.
not continue the lecture. It's fine.
Yes, ma'am.
How many are there? One has told that Abbas only. Yes, only told. but I am having doubt in
Ma'am, your voice is cutting.
Abbas Ali is having doubt in chapter number 15, yes? Okay. So Abbas Ali,
मैम
yes,
मैम चैप्टर नंबर 1 सबको जो टेक्स्ट बुक में से ही करने का है
means बेटा
मैम सब कुछ टेक्स्ट बुक में से ही करने का है ना
text book means all the topics you are asking or exercise you are asking.
फेयर बुक कंप्लीट करने के लिए सब कुछ टेक्स्ट बुक में से ही लिखने का है
मैंने पीडीएफ भेजी है ना બેટા હું તમને આ બધી વસ્તુ કેમ પૂછું છું કેમ કે જ્યારે તમે મંડે આવો ને તો મને ખબર પડે કે હું નેક્સ્ટ ચેપ્ટર ચાલુ કરું કે પછી કન્ટિન્યુ કરું એ માટે હું તમને પૂછું છું અન્ડરસ્ટેન્ડિંગ એવરીથિંગ વોટ આઈ એમ સ્પીકિંગ
यस मैम
ના અબ્દુલ્લા રાનિયાની
यस मैम
તું ફેસબુક કમ્પ્લીટ કરવાનું કહીશ કે લર્ન કરવા માટે કર બેટા
फेयर बुक मैम
ફેસબુક પીડીએફ નથી બેટા તારી પાસે આર યુ આર હેવિંગ પીડીએફ અબ્દુલ્લા રાનિયાની
यस मैम
હા તો એમાં ટીક કરેલા હોય એમાં ટીક કરવાનું છે ફેસબુક Muhammad Ali Khetani. Beta, fast unmute your mic. Otherwise, I will remove you from the lecture. Muhammad Ali Khetani.
મમ્મી
What about your fair book? કેટલું બાકી છે?
what about your
Fair
fair
book.
book? One chapter complete, 15 long answers.
Yes. Good.
લોંગ આન્સર બાકી છે મને ખાલી બાકી બધું કમ્પ્લીટ થઈ ગયું 15 ચેપ્ટરમાં
Yes. Good.
ફોટા નાખો
નહીં. और शेख. शेख अर्श. सारानी असद रजा. असद रजा सारानी. Should I remove you both of them? Sheikh Harsh. Farhan Sheikh. Farhan Sheikh. Haidar Ali Merchant. Rehan Munir.
yes ma'am
What about your favorite?
ma'am started
How many days we have completed?
3 days
Means how many days we have completed? When we have completed chapter number 1? I think for 1 month is completed. Boys? Mohammed Ali Khetani.
તમે
Beta, how much you have learned?
Learned.
Hmm.
Learned है शुरू है एक चैप्टर हुआ.
Now you are having exam. Yes?
हम्म.
Offline exam you have to do. Give.
हाँ दूसरी
We
सेमेस्टर का.
બરાબર સપ્લિમેન્ટરી માં થાય તમે શું કરશો બેટા મને એ થાય છે તમને લર્ન કરવામાં પ્રોબ્લેમ પડે લોંગ ક્વેશ્ચન આન્સર્સ હા આપણને તમને લોંગ ક્વેશ્ચન આન્સર્સ લર્ન કરવામાં પ્રોબ્લેમ થાય છે
No,
હા
no.
You are not having problem in learning long question answers. Yes.
ना मुझे प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
Okay. How much you have learned Mohammed Abbas? Mohammed Abbas, how many chapters you have learned beta?
Undo. Zero.
Nothing. Now you are having offline exam. What you will be doing?
है
You are having offline exam.
ना हो जाएगा हो जाएगा. थोड़ा थोड़ा तो है.
Okay. Should I ask one question?
Okay.
Only tell me first chapter, very introduction part. Tell me that how C-root was discovered.
क्या?
New C-root. You know new C-root.
अच्छा वो लॉन्ग वाला पूरा.
I don't want. Only tell me some points. That how much you are knowing. I want to see that how much you are remembering when I am explaining.
Okay.
Can I?
The sea route discovered by Vasco da Gama in 1498. Before Vasco da Gama, Christopher Columbus, Bartholomew Dias, MSQ, uh,
Huh?
MSQ, they all three
Amerigo Vespucci.
Amerigo Vespucci, all three try to discover the new sea route to India, but they cannot. Christopher Columbus, he thinks that he had found the new sea route to India, but it was not. It was America. Bartholomew Dias found Cape of Good Hope, and Amerigo Vespucci,
Cupid.
Vespucci tell all the people that Christopher Columbus has not found the new sea route to India, but new sea route to America. And then
Okay.
Vasco da Gama come in 1498 AD and first gone to Cape of Good Hope and then to Kolkata.
Okay, very good. Now when you have to write point wise, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Then how you will be writing?
One
If you want
sentence,
to,
1 point.
not that way.
पहले
You
क्रिस्टोफर
have
कोलंबस का, फिर बार्थोलो डायस, फिर अमेरिगो
how
वेस्पुसी
Christopher.
और
Wait,
फिर
wait,
वास्को दा गामा.
wait. I'm speaking something. How Christopher Columbus first? इसके पहले कुछ आएगा ना?
क्रिस्टोफर कोलंबस के पहले क्या?
चलो प्रिंस हेनरी.
अच्छा हाँ, प्रिंस हेनरी ट्राई बराबर.
Right?
प्रिंस हेनरी also try.
Okay. After that, Bartholomew dies.
Yes.
After that, Christopher Columbus.
Then Amerigo and then Vasco da Gama.
Yes. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
So this way you remember.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Now next thing. Next. Battle of Plassey. Okay, tell me, not Battle of Plassey. Tell me who came first to India for trading with whose permission?
Yeah, ma'am.
Who came India first for trading with whose permission?
Portuguese came first for trade in India. Permission of Mughal emperor.
No Mughal emperor, King Zamorian. When Vasco da Gama
Ah, barabar. King
arrived in India,
Zamorin. Yes.
he has taken the permission from King Zamorian for trading in India. Yes?
Yes.
In which AD they have made in which AD they have made trading center Portuguese.
AD. मैम वो तो नहीं है.
Yeah, beta. That you have studied in 8th standard also. That Portuguese came, Vasco da Gama came in 1498 AD. Yes. After
Hmm.
that, they have opened first trade center in 1500 AD in Calicut, and then after they have captured Diu, Daman, and Goa.
ओके.
That we have not learned.
नो मैम, मुझे ये मालूम नहीं था. ये 1500 एडी वाला.
Then you
मैम
have
और
missed out.
फ्रेंच और डच वाले उन्होंने कौन सी एडी में फर्स्ट उनका ट्रेड सेंटर बनाया था?
Dutch, Dutch was not with trade center, beta.
तो डच
Yes,
आया था
French
ट्रेड करना.
वो आया था, but what they have done? They have done we combined ruling they have done.
मतलब
उसने ट्रेड सेंटर ओपन नहीं किया था, ओके? उसने क्या किया था? वेट वेट योर क्वेश्चन आई एम क्लियर. वेट अ सेकंड. That you are asking me that in which year they have opened trade center? Yes. Okay. That is Dutch, no? Dutch people.
यस.
In 60, sorry, in your textbook it is not mentioned, but after in 1500 AD the Portuguese people came. Yes,
यस.
in between, after hundreds of years, how many years? Hundreds of years. Dutch people came and Denmark people came. Then came British people in 1600 AD. Are you getting Mohammed Abbas?
यस मैम. 1613 वो लोगों ने फर्स्ट ट्रेड सेंटर बनाया ब्रिटिशर्स ने.
No. 1600 में वो
1613 में तो सूरत में तो ट्रेड सेंटर बनाया फर्स्ट ट्रेड सेंटर.
Yes, you have told 1600. You are not told 1613. 1600 में वो इंडिया आए बेटा फॉर ट्रेडिंग.
मैम मैं बोला 1613 ऐसा बोला था.
Okay, sorry, my mistake. Sorry बेटा. Okay, then in
ओके.
1687 they have opened. Sorry, Mumbai was the headquarter. Quarter.
हाँ, मुंबई है उस हेडक्वार्टर.
And in 1668, French East India Company came, and they were ruling. They were trading with these people.
चंद्रनगर
Dutch.
माही.
No, that one. They were trading with
फ्रेंच.
Britishers. French were trading with Britishers and Dutch people. Both of them they were trading. After that, the war has happened. Yes.
ओके. तो डच एंड फ्रेंच had done partnership.
Yes.
ओके.
Got it.
Got it.
So clear how they arrived in India, and uh,
Yes.
as after saying that French East India Company at that time in 1746 and 1763, three Mysore wars has happened. Yes. At
Yes
that time, French East India Company has lost its power,
lost.
and yes, and the Britishers became powerful. Got it?
Yes ma'am.
And after that, Britishers what they have done? After they were gaining all the powers from all those places, yes. So they went to West Bengal, and with the permission
Okay.
of Sirajuddaula, they were at that time Sirajuddaula was ruling in Bengal. With the permission of the Nawab, yes, with the permission of Nawab, they have opened trade center in Kolkata. Okay. Sorry, without the permission, they opened trade center in Kolkata. So,
No, ma'am,
Sirajudwala.
not it was fortress.
Wait, what is the meaning of fortress? It means wall, yes?
Killa.
Ah. So, without the permission, they are opened.
Hmm.
So, what the there then? Sirajudwala has
Sirajuddaulah destroyed their fortress.
destroyed it, yes? And this
Then
news
Robert
reached.
Clive came with a small
Okay, you
army,
speak. Okay, you speak. I will
and then
respect.
he had done treachery.
Yes, then Mirza for commander in chief.
Mir Jafar and Amit Chand Seth.
Yes, have planned to defeat Nawab. Why Mirzapur has told yes that after the Sirajudwala,
After
he will
Sirajuddaulah, he
defeat
will be the
Nawab of.
Nawab of Bengal.
Yes. So, after the at that time, on 23rd June 1757 AD, in the small village of in small field, Plassey, they have fought the battle. Yes, which is situated from Murshidabad, 38 kilometers away from Murshidabad in Bengal.
Yes.
Yes, at that time Sirajudwala was defeated, Mirzapur was the Nawab of Bengal, and this way they have started ruling in India. Clear?
Yes.
Now why Battle of Buxar? So I think this way you remember the story, no? Okay,
Yes, ma'am, I
then
know.
it will be easier for you to learn. Yes, no?
Yes, ma'am.
But you don't want to speak anything, you don't want to listen to lectures, then how you will be learning?
Hmm.
I think so the first chapter, how many times I am revising? Tell me truth.
3-4 बार रिवर्स करा एक एक टॉपिक.
उससे ज्यादा उससे ज्यादा हो रहा है.
उससे ज्यादा करा.
But you don't want to answer only the topics, you don't want to involve in the lecture.
मैं तो होता हूँ.
ऑफलाइन आने वाले हो आप?
क्या मैम?
ऑफलाइन मंडे से स्कूल आना है.
हाँ मैम, मंडे से खोल रही.
आर यू गोइंग टू कम?
Yes, yes, I am coming.
ओके, अदर इज कमिंग. मोहम्मद साकिब,
Will I
रेहान
come in?
सैयद. Yes, Rehan Sayyad is not there. And who is Rehan Muni? Yes. Muni Rehan.
Ma'am, he is new student, newcomer.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you going to come on Monday?
Yes, ma'am.
Rehan Mundra. Gazi Abbas. Gazi Abbas. Okay, good. Now Battle of Buxar. Last topic we will be revising. Why Battle of Buxar started? Mohammed Abbas.
Yes, ma'am.
Why was Battle of Buxar started?
Battle of Worcester was started because of tax.
Okay. Now, at that time, after defeating the Sirajudwala, Mirzapur was commander in chief. Sorry, Nawab. Yes.
Nawab.
But
Then Mir Jafar said,
he was tired.
Mir Jafar.
Wait. So different pretext and expect plenty of wealth from him it was gained. So he thought that Mir Qasim is very brave. Yes, he is ambitious. So Mir Qasim was appointed as Nawab of Bengal. Mir Qasim removed Mirzapur. Yes, and Mir Qasim took
Yes, ma'am.
all the refuge from Nawab of Awadh, Mughal Emperor
Nawab
Shah
of
Alam,
Awadh, Shah Alam
all.
II, and in here, all three became a united army and fought with Britishers.
Yes,
It was called Battle
yes.
of Buxar.
But as then also we We were lost in Battle of Buxar, and they have started Diwali, like it means to collect revenge in Bengal, Bihar, and Orissa. Clear?
Hmm.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And this way, the expansion of company rule means this way they have started spreading all over India. Yes? Clear? Okay, we will take today's India. And I have told you if you are having